What's up everyone? My name is Ron. Welcome to my channel. Tonight we got a treat here. Illuminating me currently is our brand new Kioti RX7320. So there, see it? Yep, that's it. Now we'll do a proper intro video a different day. Tonight my intention is to run this a couple miles in the town, fill it up with fuel, and then we're going to run another couple miles and hit a local weigh station to find out what this machine weighs before I start adding things to it. So let's go. Alright, so I don't know if it reads off very well up here. We're all filled up. We put 16 gallons of fuel in. So now we're going to continue on up the road a couple miles to our scale and find out what we weigh. Alright, so I removed my weight from the equation. So currently our tractor weighs in at, can you see that? 8,120 pounds. Okay, so now that we know that, let's go ahead and we'll pop the bucket off, and just for the hell of it, we'll see what the bucket weighs. All right, so I'll flip around in a second and you'll see that removing my weight and the weight of the factory bucket reduces our weight down to 7,760 pounds. So all right friends, that wraps up what I was intending to do for the evening. So I don't know how many tractor videos I'll do. I may do none, I may do some. We'll see. I guess it depends on whether you all enjoy tractors. So, but at any rate, I appreciate you stopping by. If you'd like more of my videos, kindly hit the subscribe button, the notification bell, just like every other channel. Please hit a thumbs up on this video. That would be great. I'd love to hear from you, so let's chat. Hit me up in the comments section. And stay tuned to my channel for more videos. Thank you very much. I'll talk to you later.